Hi guys, I'm Eddie, and right now you can actually see my attempts on restoring iPhone 4S to iOS 6. As you can see, I am downloading right now the IPSW to just restore the thing, and I wanted to do it by Odysseus Auto. But well, it didn't work very well. You will see what happened next, or maybe sometime later. I had phone recorded, but I just don't bother adding this video here because well, it didn't work. It's as a small spoiler. You will see what happened, and I will talk later what I've done to get it working. As you can see, something happened and my phone didn't want to actually restore. And I don't know what was the problem. I've tried it several times, it didn't work. So I've started looking for solutions. I've thought about Vuex or whatever it should be spelled from Matthew Pearson, and it didn't work. And maybe I will try FreeUtools. Well, it helps me a lot, this app, with my other iPhones, so maybe this will work with that link too. And it didn't work. And then I found really old tool from Luke ZGD iOS Auto downgrader, and it worked. I don't know how, but it worked. Whole instructions how to do that are on his GitHub. You need jailbreak for that. Sorry, but that's how it is. And it works, at least for me. If it doesn't work for you, well, leave that in comments. Maybe we'll find a solution for that. Right now I'm using iPhone 4S with iOS 6.1, and of course it's jailbroken because this tool actually allows you to jailbreak during downgrade. So it's really nice tool. Thank you, Luke ZGD, for this thing. I don't know why other things didn't work. That's strange for me. I thought that Apple maybe blocked that downgrade path or something. I don't know, but if this tool works, then others should work too. I don't know. Well, now you know what I've done. It's working, I guess. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.